What's up? This is Mark Henninger again from Sound and Vision, and I'm in the Massimo booth with Josh, and he is going to take us through what's new from Definitive Technology, which has brought back its Mythos line of speakers. What's up with that?
Awesome. Hey, I'm Josh C. here with Massimo Consumer. So I'm really proud to announce the new Definitive Technology Mythos passive soundbars and LCR speakers. So
right
three
on.
things that make this thing special. First of all, we have the ultra-thin XTDD drivers. These allow the passive soundbar and LCR speakers to be less than 2 inches thick.
They're kind of like giant domes, aren't they?
That's right. So because they're wider, right, that allows us to make the soundbar thinner and get it to match the aesthetic and the slimness of today's flat screen TVs. So the other very cool thing about this from an installation perspective is that these are actually matched to the sizes of most common televisions. They come in 3 sizes, 65-inch, 75-inch, and there's an 85-inch big boy over here.
I see.
And we actually are able to adjust these wings over here as well to match the width of the TV exactly, so that you have the
Okay,
perfect
so they're like
aesthetic.
little end caps on the bar.
These actually pull out for as much as 3 inches of adjustability on the 65 and 75, as much as 6 inches on the 85.
Right, so it's not really a soundbar solution. You'd use this with an AV receiver.
That's correct. These are passive soundbars and LCR speakers. So because you use them with an AVR, you get a couple of things. First of all, that's how you can make them so thin that they can match the aesthetic of the TV. You also get a lot more power because you're using a full-size AV receiver, and you also have the flexibility to very easily add in ceiling rears or even full-size dimension loudspeakers if you desire as well, because these are also timbre-matched to the rest of the Dimension lineup, including Dimension CI and including Dimension Tower speakers.
All right, so you can add all those wonderful channels in your living room and not like have speakers sticking out of your wall like you would with regular surrounds.
Well, you can or you can't. That's
right,
the beauty of
your
it, right?
choice.
It's your choice.
Yeah, okay, because it's all timber matched. Got it.
So we've got the passive soundbars over here, and you'll see over here as well we've got the LCRs.
Let's bring us.
So these are again matched to the height of the television. So you see that the LCR 65 we paired with a 65-inch TV in our booth.
Got it.
We also have the 75 and the 85 over here, and in a left, center, and right configuration. These are each individual channels, and again, they are also IP66 weather resistant, so you can actually use them indoors and outdoors as well.
Well, that's quite a reinvention for the Mythos line.
That's right. Especially now that we see that there's a growing trend of mixed-use spaces. So call it California, what's the term? California living rooms, right? Where you have the door that opens to the outside, and even full-size outdoor entertaining areas. We wanted to make a solution that would work in those spaces and allow you to have that great Definitive Technology sound inside or out.
So the one thing I would imagine is that you would need to pair these with a subwoofer. That with a cabinet this small, you can't get that deep bass out of them. Tell me.
Well, I would say that you'd be surprised by the performance. We are demonstrating them with a subwoofer as well. It's one of the beauties of being able to have an external receiver to provide that amplification. But I would say that the performance even with that would be surprising as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, that used to be the Mythos thing, digging deep with a very low profile.
That's right.
And it still does that.
That's right.
Very nice.